Welcome to the Dewey Tool Dashboard. This is a central hub for managing and tracking financial approval requests. The dashboard adapts based on your role. These cards provide a quick overview of key metrics such as the number of your requests, drafts, and status details. The color represents the current status of the request. Administrators can change the user role using the profiles in the right corner. Clicking on any of these cards navigates you to more details. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, giving you the information you need at a glance. This is the heart of the system where users can submit new approval requests. The process begins by selecting the business unit, location, department, and category for the request. This determines the request type. Selecting an activity option will load specific fields relevant to the particular request type and upload the relevant documents for the request. Enter the amount in crore. This will be visible to approvers based on the request's nature. Reviews and approvals are automatically configured. Users can upload supporting documents and add remarks, providing additional information about the request. Options to submit the request to either the reviewers or save as a draft for editing later. This carefully designed process ensures all the correct information is captured before submission. The Your Request page is where users can track the status of requests that they have submitted. You can see essential information at a glance: request ID, business unit, department, category, date, status, and the current reviewer or approver. Users can easily find specific requests using the search bar or filter options at the top. Clicking on any of these entries opens a detailed view of the request, including supporting documentation and the approval history. The status column clearly indicates where each request is in the approval workflow. New requests can also be initiated by clicking on New Request. The data present in the table can be easily exported by clicking on the export icon at the top. Your requests gives you a full view of your active and historical approval requests. This page allows users to review and submit drafts of their created request. It has all the same columns as other trackers: category, date, business unit, and the current reviewer approver. If any changes are required for the request, simply click on it and edit the entries. This is for the reconsidered document that was sent by the admin. It has all the same columns as other trackers: category, date, business unit, and the current reviewer and approver. If any changes are required for the request, simply click on it and edit the entries. This page is specifically for reviewers, allowing them to view and act on requests assigned to them: business unit, location, category, department, and date. On clicking, it allows reviewers to add their remarks or forward the approval request with new attachments after reviewing it. On this page, users with reviewer rights can check all the actioned, reconsidered, rejected, reviewed documents. Request ID, business unit, department, category, status, and current reviewers or approvers can be visible. Remarks and attached documents can be seen. This view is designed for approvers, providing a list of requests awaiting their action. Like other views, you can see the request ID, business unit, department, category, and status. From this screen, approvers can quickly approve or reject the requests, keeping the process moving. This screen is where admin users can manage and change other users' role in the application. You can see each of the roles: admin, reviewer, initiator, approver, and choose to toggle them. Admin users can add users to the application. The new entry will be then displayed in the table. This tool helps to transfer, reassign pending requests from one user to another. The users with admin rights can access the request table and then drill down to reassign it. The table view can be edited. This page centralizes the configuration of approval processes and workflows. The user can specify limits, add reviewers and approvers for the request. These pages is for managing the list of business unit, department locations. A new location can be easily added with a simple prompt. It can also be deleted. The existing ones can be easily updated if required. This tool ensures there is a proper authorization levels maintained at all hierarchies. A user can add any dependency in the dependency table. The user can edit the table for new configurations. This segment is for managing the list of activities and categories that can be selected when starting a request. A new category can be easily added with a simple prompt. It can also be deleted. The approval processes can be handled through a separate tab and can also be updated. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.